You must have heard by now that the FDA has placed a hold on Cortexyme's investigational new drug application. That was, amongst other things, what led it to plunge by 31.46% in the last session of the to the 6th of January 2021. So the volume there in that session was 5.4 million, which was above average. You can see the event here, 52-week low. It says here price triggered a new 52 low event of $5.74 just early in the session. So that's the piece of news here. The company said Wednesday, the 25th of January, that the FDA has placed a full clinical hold on its investigational new drug application for atuzaginstat. The biopharma company did not provide reason for the hold, but said plans to provide additional updates pending discussions with the regulator. So the company, I think, has also said it's implementing a cost reduction program to rationalize operations and to allow continued support for planned clinical milestones. It said it will prioritize development of its next generation gene pain inhibitor, COR588, in Alzheimer's disease. So yes, that's a huge blow. So the stock is now, a far cry from its August the 10th price of $120.21. Very, very, very far away from there now. So you can see what's going on. It plunged sometime from then. The whole effect. I don't exactly know why it continued to plunge, but as at October, it has been pretty much been moving. It moved pretty much in the side. We had a sideways movement. But of late, it's or rather up till from that time on, I think, especially up till early this month, it's faced a stiff resistance from its 50-day moving average, and the other moving average is the 10 and the 20-day moving average as well, so around there as well. So, but interestingly enough, this company is very prominent, covered by a lot of analysts. You can see that a lot of investment houses or research outfits, Schwab, they have some ratings and guides. Credit Suisse has one as well. Reuters has a target of 64.57. So it's definitely not a minor company. It's definitely out there. It's of great interest to a lot of market participants. And then of late, it should be of great interest to a lot of recent retail investors. You can see that. This especially the fact that it has this 46% short interest. 46% short interest. That is easily talking about 46% of this 185.5 million dollars in market capitalization. So roughly about $90 million in short interest. That's exactly the equivalent of that short interest. So it's got money locked up into it. So it is of great interest to the big players and also the small players. So this stock is definitely not going away for any time soon. The FDA has done what it's done, but what I believe is that recent market participants are going to be saying, all right, hedge funds, you are trying to make a meal of this stock. You've locked up money into it, then we have to pursue you to get the money out. So what I can say for sure is that there is definitely a high likelihood that market participants, this stock is not going away because of its short interest. At the same time, there's every chance that it would not really do well as such. It will continue to trade around within this range. We don't expect it to probably go beyond $8 anytime soon. We don't expect it, but we could be totally wrong. We could be absolutely totally wrong. So, but a lot of things could go on, with the stock. The short interest, also. So expect a lot of activity, but I personally don't think it's going to get to $8 anytime soon. Maybe within the next 1 month, maybe not. But there'll be a lot of rumbling, because of the short interests, a lot of chatter concerning it. So unfortunately, the FDA didn't grant its application. So it's going to be a sideways movement for the stock, I believe, for some time. So see what you make of a CRTX stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.